Welcome! If you're looking to get rid of those ongoing call notifications that pop up from Gmail, you're in the right place. Whether you find these alerts distracting during meetings, work, or just want a cleaner notification experience, disabling them is quick and easy, and you don't even need to open the Gmail app. Here's how you can do it right from your phone's settings. First, unlock your phone and head straight to Settings. This is where you control all the app behaviors and notifications on your device. Once you're in, scroll down and find the option labeled Apps. This section lets you manage every app installed on your phone. Now look for Gmail in your app list. The list is usually in alphabetical order, so just scroll until you find it and tap on it to open the Gmail app info page. Inside the Gmail settings, you'll see a menu called Notifications. Tap into Notifications to see everything Gmail is allowed to alert you about. Here's the key step. Tap on Notification Categories. This is where all the different notification types for Gmail are organized: emails, chats, and calls. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Other. Under this category, you'll find an option for Ongoing Call. This is the setting responsible for those persistent call notifications you want to get rid of. Simply toggle the Ongoing Call switch to Off. Once you do this, Gmail will stop sending you those ongoing call notifications, making your notification area less cluttered and more focused on what's actually important to you. And that's it. You can exit out of your settings and enjoy a distraction-free experience, knowing you're in control of what pops up on your phone. If you ever want to turn ongoing call notifications back on, just follow these same steps and toggle the switch back on. Thanks so much for tuning in.